Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys had an amazing week. Today's video is a decorate with me of our living room for fall. I will also be showing you how to glam up your living room with simple DIY projects. I bought these fairly large glass vase from Ross and I love the shape and size of this vase. I also love how inexpensive they were, and as soon as I saw these I knew exactly what I was going to do with it to give it that touch of glam. I love using these silver metallic spray paint from Home Depot to give that effect of a mirrored glass look. I'm all about saving money when it comes to decorating our house, and I'm so happy to be able to DIY the pillowcases I will be using to decorate this living room. This video is sponsored by my friends from VEVOR. VEVOR is a leading brand company that specializes in equipments and tools. VEVOR is dedicated to providing DIYers and professionals with tough equipments and tools at the lowest prices, like this heat press machine that they have sent me. This heat press machine is equipped with digital precise control panel helping you accurately regulate the temperature and time. I love how this machine had made it extremely easy for me to DIY these pillowcases and transfer these iron-on crystal strips super easy by just easy steps of a heat press. With this machine, it makes adhesive crystals and decals transfer so much easier with precision. This heat press is a great choice for industrial, professional, and home use. It is suitable for t-shirts, pillows, bags, and so much more, and can quickly transfer colorful pictures and characters onto textiles such as cotton, cloth, ceramics, glasses, fabrics, and many more. It also has the feature where it will automatically beep or turn off when the transfer is done, reducing the possibility of overheating. I will provide VEVOR's info in the description box below in case you are interested in this product. In the meantime, let me show you how I've enjoyed creating these beautiful shirts using this heat press machine as we move on to our fall living room decorate with me. It is my hope that this video inspires you and gives you tons of ideas in glam fall decorating your living room or any of your room. Please continue watching to see how I have turned our living room for fall and for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and has inspired you to decorate your living room with a touch of glam. If it did, please don't forget to give this video love by hitting that like button. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. Again, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you have an amazing week to come, sending you all air hugs and good positive vibes. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!